channel. So as you can tell, I have my Boxycharm here. This is for February. I know that I got a little behind with my unboxing videos, and I'm gonna have 2 more after this one. Now this box is $21 a month, and you're supposed to get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products, range from makeup to skincare to hair care. They usually have a lot of different variations. When you open it up, you'll always see your little card on the top. On the other side, you'll have a list of your products with the prices. I received variation 3. So I'm gonna go with the first thing that I know everybody received in their box. So this is the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. Now I actually already own this exact size, and that's because I purchased it through FabFitFun a couple months back when you could do their add-ons, and I was able to purchase it for like $5. Now this is valued at $18. It says, create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. I actually really do enjoy this primer. It works pretty good with my skin. That is what it looks like. It's very milky, kind of serum-y, and of course I put too much just to show you. This is not the amount that I would, put on my face. It's very, very silky and smooth, and it feels kind of slippery when you rub it in, but it really does work well as a foundation base. But it even works for those no makeup days where you just don't want to wear foundation, maybe just a little primer and concealer, mascara, and you're good to go. So the next thing that everybody was receiving in their box was this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is also full size. It's valued at $24. And I've actually really been wanting to try this. I think the packaging is really pretty. It says indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Acacia Senegal tree extract sets volume while film-forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. So this next product here is a variation product. I don't remember what you could have received instead of this because there's just so many variations for this box, but I'm happy that I received this one. This is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. This is actually valued at $22, and it's a 3.4 fluid ounce size. Soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. So the next product here is from a brand that everybody was receiving. So we were all getting a pretty vulgar product. It was either one of 2 bronzers or one of 4 highlighters. So I ended up receiving this highlighter. I think the packaging is gorgeous. So this is the Shimmerin' Swan highlighter. I actually received mine in the shade Sparklin' Sass. Now the value of this is $32, so that's really pricey. It says allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter. Infused with glow-loving, light reflecting, and pearlescent pigments, this highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. So look how gorgeous that is. I mean, right away, it just shimmers and shines. I absolutely love this. I would actually dust this along my collarbone. I think that would be very, very pretty. And then the last but not least was another variation product, and you could receive this lip product here, which is the Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. And this is called English Rose. That's the shade name. This is valued at $25. It says this 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The prime inside smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft, shiny color. This is what the primer looks like. I've actually owned something like this from Trestique before a while back. I don't remember, but I know it had this on it too. Now this is what the shade looks like. So I originally thought by looking at this that it was gonna be very, very dark, but I'm gonna show you that it really isn't. So it's a very, very soft shade. I really like the cap too because it's magnetic. So when you put it back on, it just snaps back like that. So I thought that's pretty cool. So that's it for this Boxycharm for February. Overall, I think that the value was pretty good because you have a $24 mascara, a $25 lip product, a $22 face wash, you have an $18 primer, and then a $32 highlighter. So I ended up liking this box more than I expected to. I think that for me, these are the things that I use on a daily basis: face wash, mascara, lip color, primer, and highlighter. So for me, after thinking about it and looking it over, I felt like for me this box was practical. I will have a link in the description box down below for Boxycharm, and if you use my code, then we both would get a free gift. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and feel free to share it to help me grow my channel. Keep a lookout for the rest of my February unboxings. So until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.